If you love having a smoothie first thing in the morning or a post-workout where there are lots of proteins, you need a smoothie blender that will blend all your ingredients perfectly even if you have to mix frozen fruits and ice. So for that, we have come up with the 5 best smoothie blenders that will make your easy that makes smoothie delicious. So without further delay, let us start with the video. Before that, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for the notifications. The 5th number is the Ninja BL770 Smoothie Blender. This product comes with 1,500 watts of power to handle all your smoothies and other drinks that you are able to blend in. The dimensions of the product are 8.25 inch D x 9.5 W x 17.75 H with a weight of around 9.2 pounds. The product also has a bowl capacity of 4 pounds, and this blender is a powerful crusher that turns ice into snow in seconds. This product also mixes dough in seconds with its powerful blade, so it is the right choice to have this one with you. Now let's talk about the advantages of the product. These are that this product comes with a recipe guide from where you can make different types of smoothies. It is dishwasher safe, so you can put all the bowls in your dishwasher as well. This blender is not only blending fruits for your smoothies, but it can blend dough to make cookies and cakes. Plus it is versatile with great size to fit anywhere, adding to that all the blades are extremely sharp that crushes anything without any effort, whereas the disadvantage is that you cannot put hot liquids, but you can put warm liquids in this smoothie blender. For more information about the product, check the description box below. The 4th number is the BlenderX Cordless Smoothie Blender. This blender is from the brand called MC Modern Comfort Home Products, which mainly focuses on having a home-like blender wherever you go. The dimensions of the product are 5.75 inch D x 5.75 W x 13 H with a weight of around 2.1 kilograms, whereas the wattage of this blender is 260 watts. This is one for the smoothie lovers where you can blend hard veggies like kale and spinach plus the food as well to have a healthy and tasty smoothie for you. This blender has got quite a lot of awards, so make sure to check and have this product in your house or outdoors, as this one is cordless. The advantages of the product are that this product has superior portable power, which makes better, healthier smoothies as well as shakes. The additional feature is that it comes with a travel bag, which is really convenient. It is easy to clean and use. Plus this little guy fulfill your needs whether you have to blend big or small ingredients, adding to that it definitely works great with big ice cubes compared to other blenders, whereas the disadvantage is that the bottle and blades are somewhat not easy to assemble at first, but with consistency that won't be a problem. The 3rd number is the Befano 3-in-1 Smoothie Blender. This Befano Smoothie Blender gives more powerful and professional blade performance with its 700 watt motor power. The dimensions of the product are 11.42 inch D x 6.69 W x 12.9 H with a weight of around 5.55 pounds. This product contains 6 blades that are designed so that the ingredients can be blended easily. This blender can be used for multiple purposes and has an on-go convenience that can not only make smoothies and a baby food crusher as well. The advantages of the product are that this can be used for cocktail creation and cold milk foam creation as well. It is easy to use and clean, plus they have included many other types of equipment that come with this blender, adding to that you can make customized drinks and smoothies in just 4 steps. It has pretty big size, so it makes room to add more ingredients, whereas the disadvantage is that it's not too powerful but does seem to get the job done fairly well. For more details about the product's prices and discounts, please check the description box below. The 2nd number is the Ninja QB3001 SS Smoothie Blender. This product is from the brand called Ninja, which is designed to fit your lifestyle that packs enough power to break down whole fruits and tough vegetables. The dimensions of the product are 4 inch D x 4 W x 13 H with a weight of around 16 ounces. This has a 700 watts power motor base that gives you the best Ninja blending. This blender can extract hidden nutrition from whole fruits and vegetables, which has a capacity of up to 16 fluid ounces. The advantages of the product are that this product is easy to use, powerful and compact kitchen tool. This product has pulse technology. It is dishwasher safe, plus it is easy to store as well. Adding to that, it has single serve blending, which makes the smoothies quicker. This blender is not a big pitcher and mess maker, and it also comes with large cups that leads to convenience, whereas the disadvantage is that it can be a little noisy. Now on to our final product. The first is the Hamilton Beach Power Smoothie Blender. This product is from the brand called Hamilton Beach. Their products are designed to make life easier, and they make in-depth research before providing their products. The dimensions of the product are 8.66 inch D x 8.5 W x 14.69 H with a weight of around 5.62 pounds. This blender gives you the all power you need while you blend your ice cubes or fruits with its 700 watt power motor. This blender is controlled by 5 buttons that give you the versatility you need while blending, pureeing, dicing, and chopping. Now let's talk about some of the advantages of the product. These are that this blender has a capacity of 40 fluid ounces, it gives ultra smooth results with its patented wave, plus it can be served with ease without messy drips. Adding to that, it is easy to clean with its dishwasher safe glass jar, whereas the disadvantage is that it is quite hard to remove the top, and apart from that, the overall product is good. This is it with our 5 best smoothie blenders that make your smoothie soft and healthy. Hope you have found this video helpful. For more information about the products, please visit the description box below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching.